was waiting for this review for way too long. Finally, the Meraki review is here. This is the Meraki Espresso Machine, and it literally weighs your coffee for you like it doesn't trust you. Honestly, fair. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. It's got metal everywhere, a fancy screen, and a very user-friendly system. This machine grinds your beans, weighs them, brews your espresso, and steam milk at the same time. It literally measures your espresso while it's brewing, so you can't mess it up. From a technical perspective, this machine is quite advanced. It features a dual boiler system, a rotary pump which provides stable pressure and quieter operation, PID temperature control for precise thermal stability. One of the key features is grind by weight and brew by weight. The machine uses an integrated scale to measure both the coffee dose and the espresso yield in real time, improving consistency across shots. There is also a built-in grinder, so this is a complete all-in-one setup. One of the more unique features is the NFC integration. The machine can read NFC tags, for example, for compatible coffee bean packing, and automatically loads optimized brewing parameters. This includes settings like grind size, dose, extraction time. The idea is to simplify dialing in new beans and reduce manual adjustments. The dual boiler and PID system provide very stable extraction conditions. Overall, the espresso quality is strong, balanced extraction, good crema, and consistent results even with minimal manual input. For milk-based drinks, the steam boiler delivers sufficient power for fast steaming. There is also a temperature sensor that assists with milk texturing, helping prevent overheating. You can still steam manually, but the assisted system adds an extra layer of control. The machine uses a touchscreen interface that controls all core functions. You can adjust temperature, pre-infusion, shot profiles, and save custom settings. It also includes automated cleaning cycles and scheduling features, which are useful for daily use. Let's actually make a coffee. I put the beans in the tray and choose the amount of coffee. The grinder is very fast and does a great job. Now let's prepare the pack. Looks great. And now for the shot. Here you can also choose your coffee amount. Extraction looks good. I just love this view and enjoy watching it. Steady flow, nice crema, and a solid consistency right from the start. Moving on to milk. Steam power is strong and easy to control. Produces a smooth, slicky texture. Let's finish with some latte art. I'm not a latte artist, but the texture is good, which makes brewing much easier. Overall, the process is straightforward and consistent, and very close to cafe quality. Actually, maybe even better. This machine is best suited for coffee enthusiasts who want precision, users interested in data-driven brewing, and people who value integrated all-in-one system. For simple push-button coffee, this may be more complex than necessary. Final thoughts. The Meraki Espresso Machine combines advanced hardware with smart features like real-time weight tracking and NFC-based profiles. It aims to bridge the gap between manual espresso and automation. If you're looking for control, consistency, and modern features in one system, it's a compelling option. This is honestly one of my favorite machines for making espresso at home. I use it every day, and the shot quality is consistently great. The only downside I've noticed is that the surface can be a bit tricky to clean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video. Users interested